Welcome to Let's Learn.
So guys, let's start with lesson 1. India, size and location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the first 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of the world history. Location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main land extends between latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, respectively. A important note: the the southernmost point of the Indian Union is Intra Point, got submerged under the seawater in 2004 during tsunami. Size: the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers and the total length of coastal line of the mainland, including the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Engfold Mountains in the northwest and north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends southwards of Indian Ocean, dividing into two seas, that is the Andaman and the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. The longitude and latitude extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. Despite the fact the west-east extent appears to be smaller than south-north extension. From the Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a slight time lag of 2 hours. Hence, the time along the standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree 30 minutes east. Passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as standard time for the whole country. The longitude extent influences the duration of day and night as it moves from south to north. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connects the countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia, which provides a that's a strategical central location to India. Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and with the southeast, and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has the longest coastline on Indian Ocean as India has, isn't it? It is India's eminent position in Indian Ocean and just justifies the naming of an ocean after it. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. So up next, which comes India's contact with the world has continued through ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than the maritime contact. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the ocean restricts such interactions for a long time. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since the ancient time. The ideas of Upanishads and Ramayana, the story of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslins, and other merchants were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and many and minarets from West Asia are seen in the different parts of countries. India's neighbor. India occupies an important strategical position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares this land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, that's Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbor across the sea consists of two countries, namely the Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak state and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Island is situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. India has a strong geographical and historical links with our neighbors. So, have a reference to the map. So, I just missed the point here, so I'll reiterate. So before 1947, there are two types of states in India, the province and princely states. The provinces were ruled directly by British officials who are appointed by viceroys, while the princely states were ruled by local and the hereditary rulers who were acknowledged sovereignty of the in return for the local autonomy. I guess this is the end, and so yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more notifications.